Hi everyone, Sophie here. Meet Lil Jimi. Lil Jimi. Yeah, Lil Jimi. You can see it's a Squier Mini Strat, a children's guitar of let's say 120 US dollars. I don't know. And I've Dorianized it thoroughly. I put my new LRQC-2L bridge under it. You see. And my DENAH humbucker. DENAH is short for definitely not a humbucker. You know, this is how it sounds. Now, sounds like a big one, doesn't it? You know, the girls I used to teach guitar to, they always said I can't do Hendrix because my hands are too small. Yes, Hendrix had big hands, but if you make the guitar smaller, maybe, who knows? Let's see. I'm going to stop talking now. Hendrix. Now, if I switch off, I can switch off the DENAH pickup. So, into this, now it's off, like this. And now only those two are working. And there's the ordinary Telecaster line, three-way switch. So, and it sounds like this. DENAH goes in, right? Out. Back in again. Middle pickup. DENAH is in. Now DENAH goes out, and this doesn't sound not at all bad. Put it out again, so cross it out. In. That's without, it's only this one now. That's the Dorian LRQC bridge here. That's this one. That gives you all those quacky dynamics, really it does. This was the bridge that was on it before, and not much comes through with bridges, traditional bridges like that, when your string tension is so low. It's only almost 23 inches of scale length. That's not much tension, that's about 30 kilos. You can't wake up a small guitar with only 30 kilos, 65 pounds of some string tension. You can't wake it up with a bridge like this. It's not, it dissipates too much energy. Too much gets lost with the little parts here and there. The zinc alloy, it eats up a lot on the harmonics dynamics. It's very lossy, let's say. And this is much less lossy solution. Hence, that's why it sounds, this little Jimi sounds like a very big Jimi. Yeah, the DENAH pickup, I've made more of these now. This is the weakest one. It has two separate coils, so it's not a humbucker. And it only helps the two other single coils. And those are the original cheapos that were already in there. I just put a colorful cover on them, but those are the $4.50 ceramic, Chinese ceramic pickups, you see. But this one, also two cheap coils, an Alnico 2 magnet behind it, so its pull is very weak, but the poles are very close to the string. So when I turn the little screws here, I can fine-tune the volume, timbre of each string in relation to each single coil pickup rather accurately. It doesn't give you stratitis because, you know, the stratitis, the the disease strats have because through magnets, stuck through magnets, they pull on the strings. They try to grab the strings down and they kill sustain, kill harmonics. So this one is not playing along with the grab the string game. Very, very low magnetism and very low output power. The only thing it has to do is to deliver the harmonics and the frequency range and the dynamics that this one or this one cannot deliver at their particular spot. So that is why you don't hear much difference in output volume without the DENAH engaged and with it engaged. The only thing you hear is more harmonics. Like if this cheap pickup together with those cheap pickups make the sound of a far more expensive set of pickups. Now it's in, now it's out, now it's in. So, what do you think? Bye.